Welcome to this Rockler demo. Today we're going to take a look at one of our most popular innovations from the past few years, and it's popular for good reason. It's the solution to what I think is one of the most frustrating situations you can run into in your shop. Finding a dust hose that securely fits on or in your power tool's dust port. Sometimes that means relying on a lot of duct tape, or using your hand as a clamp while you use the tool. Neither are good solutions. So to solve this problem, our brilliant design team came up with the FlexiPort family of hoses and ports. And the star of this show are these flexible hose ports that feature rubber ends that flex to fit over almost any portable power tool dust port. They come in 4 diameters ranging from 3/4 inch to 1.5 inch inside diameter. All of the ports swivel to prevent the hose from twisting, and they feature this slight bend or elbow that helps lift the dust hose off your work. There are also 2 hose options, this fixed length hose that's 12 feet long and this expandable hose that stretches from 3 to 12 feet. Each hose is compatible with the 4 different ports, but it's important to note that each hose has its own set of ports. They are not interchangeable. Both of the hoses also include this swiveling 2.25 inch diameter port that keeps the hose from twisting and fits most shop vacuums, as well as the dust right, dust separator, and mountable couplers. You can also get a coupler for each type of hose that allows you to connect multiple hoses to extend their reach. And one final family member that I want to introduce you to is not really a part of a hose kit, so I guess you could call it a cousin, is the FlexiPort dust canister. It's a heavy-duty dust canister that features the same flexible port connectors. It's a great upgrade from standard fabric dust bags. It features a built-in 10-micron filter, and it's easy to open, to empty, or clean the filter. So the next time you're searching for a hose that fits a tool, remember the FlexiPort line of ports and hoses. Or better yet, buy a kit now and you'll have the problem solved before it happens. I'm Dan Carey with Rockler and Woodworker's Journal. Thanks for watching.